my program at the end of the day. Wow, that Caterpillar call buyer, so good. All right. Wow, that call buyer was so spot on. Wow. All right. Oop, I click on. Oh, I cannot minimize it. Why not? I think I have to screen share. Wow, Grind is still stock. Is that Grinder the webcam? More tariff news. Joy. More tariff news hitting. All right. Man, Caterpillar just ripped. Yeah. Where's you where is the YouTube? Crap, I got so much stuff here. All right, let me get a link. Really? I'm not screen sharing yet? All right. I think I am screen sharing. Wow. So they're selling puts in Dropbox? They have to be. Does Microchip report? How do I not take these bets? I have to get bearish. All right, let me post on Telegram. Where are you? All right, I think I am good. Let me see. Everything is getting squeezed so hard. How did I not see Dollar Tree call? Target calls. Jeez, I mean, they just keep buying calls, everything. Calls, calls, calls. US ways plan to stash, tariff news. Oh, so some news is hitting. Wow, some news just hit on more tariffs. Wow. Tesla, are we on the highs yet? No. I should have bought more Tesla calls. All right. We have the trade desk. Oh, you guys aren't even seeing the scanner. Deer is now 20%. The deer. That Palantir Iron Condor is at max value, I think already. All right, let me get to my YouTube. All right, I think we are live now. Some decent bets today, some size. All right, do y'all see on the screen? Let me know in the chat if it's updating, because I don't see the chat. There we go. U.S. weighs plan to slash China tariffs as low as 50%, down from 145% as soon as next week. Just hit from the New York Post. And then Boeing, Navarro says we're going to take good care of Boeing. So, I mean, when you're pumping the market, baby, it's endless. Up, up, and away. Pump, pump, pump. That's what Mr. Market's doing right now. Pump it up. Everyone pump up the market. But it is it is the goal to pump up the market. I mean, I think we all know that now. A lot of Dropbox puts. I don't know if they're buying them or selling them. Whoever is trading Dropbox is making the market. So I don't know what that rat bastard's doing. It must be a put bomber in Dropbox. The 28 puts, it's got to be a put bomber. So it looks like this trader created the market. If Dropbox goes below 28, it looks like these were probably sold. They just made the market. They would take 11,000 times. So they would take an 11 million share position if Dropbox goes below 28, or they would collect, let's just say they got 50 cents. If they did, so that would be $50 a contract. Let's just say 10,000. What's 10,000? It's really 11,000 times 50 would be what? Let's just add another zero. A 500,000 share position. Yeah. Oof. I ain't messing around with Dropbox. I can't take that much stock. All right, but let me tell y'all what I did for TKO. I wish they would buy calls in it. So y'all know TKO is my favorite ever. You know, it's like the cream of the crop. So all I did, it's nothing fun. That's why I'm getting out the way now. So I have TKO. I have the May 160 calls. I have a one lot. My goal is for TKO to close, I mean, really over 170. And then I'm just going to take shares of stock, I think, if TKO can close higher. I would do like a call spread. It's just the markets are so wide. You really can't do anything. So kind of shitty. And then I'm saving like all my buying power. It's really bad to say this, especially on camera. But if TKO goes down on earnings, I think it was, what quarter was it they went down? It wasn't last quarter. Like this quarter, it went down. I just go and I buy all the TKO stock I can. So we'll see. If the stock goes down on earnings, obviously I'll lose money on the call option. I can't get rid of it. I mean, they're too illiquid. And I would just buy as much stock as I can. So that's what I plan on doing. And that's why, too, if you notice, I kind of been a little scared, not scaredy cat, but I've been trading small because I'm basically just trying to. I've been waiting for this day for TKO to report earnings. So if the stock does go down, I'll just buy as much as possible or buy as much call options as possible, whatever. If the options have a good market. If they don't, I'll just buy shares. And then I won't look at it or touch it. That Caterpillar, that was a good buy. But I think I missed out. So that's it. No call flow in TKO, but that's expected. You usually don't see any option paper in TKO. It's only happened a few times. But besides that, I'm not going to lie. I've lost like 3 or 4K on earnings. You can't buy puts. You buy puts, you're going to lose money. I've thrown in the towel on puts. I will never buy puts again. Next day, market crashes. I just can't. I can't buy puts. Everything goes up. I had a one lot of Carvana puts. It was down like $30. And then today it's up, what? $30. Nothing, stocks can't go down. It's like the Fed put. You buy puts, you go to jail. And guess where I've been? I've been in jail. So I'm not buying puts no more. Unless it's, well, I will. I mean, who am I kidding? But every put buy I lost. Every trade I've done long, Tesla, Facebook, uh, Foxa, all my longs make money. All my shorts lose money. Every single one of my shorts have lost money. Just about. So Apache, big. Uh, Oxy, big. Palantir, Condor, great. But every time I buy puts, lose. Loser. Loser. Even Upstart. Upstart went down on earnings. And what did they do yesterday? They bought it right back up. Look at that. So nothing stays down. Everything catches a bid. So I'm throwing in the towel. I'm saying I'm a perma bull again. S&P is probably going to pin at 5,700. But I want to. It's just like GameStop calls, Unity calls. I want to buy calls and get a squeeze. Oh yeah, I bought run puts, lost like 2,000. Squeezed out my ass. It just, I think there's so much bearish sentiment that every time you have everyone bearish, that any time there's decent to okay news, the stock's going to go up. Like look at Monster. 2 orders of the 58 puts. I don't trust it because it has a high short float. So I do not trust any put buy. What's the short float in Monster? You trade it, you get ran over. Oh, it's only 3%. I thought it was higher because the energy drinks. I guess not. No. Okay. Never mind. Rigetti. I mean, look at QBTS and IO&Q. These companies are frauds, and they're up 10%. Rigetti's up 12%. QBTS is up 50%. You can't buy puts. Microsoft, nice breakout. Reddit puts, I wanted to buy these. The May 103 puts. I'm just scared. I wanted to buy them, but I'm a chicken, so I'm not. All right. Target and Dollar Tree calls are probably off that China headline news that just hit. The U.S. weighs plan to slash China tariffs as low as 50%. That just came out about 20 minutes ago. And the FXI popped on it. FXI is the China ETF. You see it popping, kind of fading. But what do y'all want to do? What do y'all want to do? I do want to roll the dice. I'm not going to lie. I've been very bored. And I am kind of in the mood to gamble. So does anyone have a good gamble play for tomorrow? What do y'all think? I am open to suggestions. It's just 2 things. It's got to be a weekly or next week. And well, that's really it. It just has to expire either tomorrow or next week. I'm pretty open. What about microchip? It's not a big bet. May 9th, 48.5 puts. I just want something to crash. Is that so hard? Horrible chart, so you know it's going to go up. If it's a bad chart, it's in a rally. The 48.5 puts are $1.20. I mean, they're liquid. $3 implied move. Hubs? Oh, Lord. Isn't that like $1 million stock? Come on now. Here I am saying 5 minutes ago, I'm not going to buy puts. What am I looking at? Microchip puts. I think because I got me a tea from Chick-fil-A that I have that I'm actually caffeinated up. SOUN. I saw that BE call. That stock has burned me though. I mean, I've done good and I've also gotten burned in it. Let me look at this microchip really quick. This stock, when they've bought in calls, it's worked really good. They paid $1.20. What are these? All spreads? I want to wake up and the stock be down like 30% and the puts go up like 800%. That's all I want. I mean, it's not that hard. Yeah, it is, but you know what? I think I'm going to do it. How does microchip beat earnings? WDC did, STX did. Has this stock ever crashed? I mean, it went down a little bit here. We had the July 57.5 to May 45 puts. They bought May 5th. When was May 5th? Jeez. So they bought these puts and the stock has rallied 5%. October puts, these calls expired. April 10th, they bought calls. When was that? Here. And the stock has rallied 10%, 20%. All right, never mind. I give up. No microchip. SYK. That was easy. Stanley Beck. Stanley Black. And is this the tool company? Yeah, it is. What are they bought? May 65 calls with the stock at 62 and change. I mean, maybe. Let's take a gander, my love. You don't see this one often. SWK. Last quarter, the stock had a no move, huge gap down. Gap up. It's up, of course. The one stock I'm like, I kind of like it is up 6.5%. No. They're too wide. They're 65 by $1. No. I mean, they're actually not badly priced. How much do they pay? 80 cents? Ugh. I'll see if I could buy like 3 contracts at 80. Imagine trying to get out of these though tomorrow. Am I on the wrong account? I think I'm on my wrong account. OC, what? Let me look. I must have a bad mark on one of my positions. I might have a naked option on. Hold on. Let me see if I fixed it. OCOO position limit. Is this my right account? I don't know. Okay. Oh, crap. I don't know what account I'm on. Oh, crap. I might have to go on the Schwab website. Okay, there we go. Good Lord. I'm only done. There we go. Whoops, wrong account. All right, let's go back to it. SYK, if the market was tighter, I would say go for them, but they're so wide that I probably personally would pass. Let's see what else we got. CrowdStrike, no. Ooh, a decent sized bet. CrowdStrike. Ooh. The Crowd July 410 puts. Where's Crowd? Where are you, CrowdStrike? Oh, wow. I remember I bought this stock right around 200 and then I sold it like at 220 the next day. Now it's at 430. Remember when they had like the airport outage? Never sell. All right. CrowdStrike 410 puts for July. I would say this is a hedge. Obviously, the stocks ran up a ton. All right. Oh, boring. Let's see what else we got. July is a eternity away. I say that, and it's really what, 2 months? Good Lord. And my birthday is 8 days away. And we're already in May, and I don't even realize it that we're already in May. Let's see. Pins. I can't do pins. I've gotten burned on it too many times. I'm sorry. Wolf. Oh, the wolf. I remember the wolf from yesterday. Ah, yes. It's up 10% today. That's almost as worse as VG. VG calls were up like 50% today. Remember from yesterday? The wolf is up 10%. CYH. What's the implied move for wolf? God, look at that cat fill. What's the implied move for this stock now? The wolf calls are up 60%. Well, the, oh, I oh, I can't buy these calls. They're up 50, 60, 70% already. I'm having such bad FOMO in this stock. It's implying a dollar move to about 25%. All right. You know what I need to start doing is buying just shares of stock. I need to start buying common because on some of these names where I'm like, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, just buy the damn shares of stock. Then I don't have to, oh, the market's wide. And I have all this cash on my Robinhood just waiting to buy. And you know what I keep saying? No, I'm going to wait till TKO reports. Ooh, 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 ooh. $40,000 doing nothing, literally nothing. Well, I did a SPX XXP trade today from earlier, but I have all this money doing nothing. Oh man, I don't even want to know what the chat says. Chat, what are y'all saying? Do I even want to look? Coinbase puts. Could they have a bad earnings? All right. Yeah, we might have something. How much time do we have left? 10 minutes? Yeah, lift puts are not looking good. I mean, there's like a 90% chance that stock says is up 30% tomorrow. I would say. I mean, I'm holding a 25 lot and it's money I plan to never see again. but I'm very, very confident that lift goes up. I'll show you. I mean, I feel like a donkey holding lift. I will. I do. Because every stock, if the stock has been down on earnings, it goes straight up. So, like Wolf will probably go up 30%, Lyft, Run, Pizza's up 50% or 15%, Quantum stocks up 50%. Every bad chart, look at Pizza. Horrible chart. Today, up 15% on earnings. So anything that has a bad chart is going up. Let's look at this Coinbase. Yeah, I mean, I don't really look too much at fundamentals. So, I mean, I'll just be honest with you. What about Coinbase? I told you, I feel like gambling. What do they do in Coinbase? A 250,000 in the 200 puts. Chart is already breaking out. That's bearish. Breakout is bearish. Beat down is bullish. If these are under like $2, I'll buy them. How much are they? Coinbase weekly 200 puts. They're 3.25. Damn, that's pricey. What did I say? I'm not going to buy puts. What am I looking at? Puts. The stock's up $11 today because crypto's up, right? Crypto, everything's short squeezing. I don't care what you are. You could be a company that makes styrofoam cups with a $20 million valuation, $200 million valuation, and you're going bankrupt tomorrow, and the stock will be up 50%. I mean, look at Rivian. Rivian was down. Thankfully, I closed some puts yesterday in it. Was down $1 yesterday, up $1 today. That's the way it works, Daddy-O. Coinbase. What do y'all think? I think it can move. Let's say it moves down $10 tomorrow. So it goes to 197. The 200 puts break even. Ugh, that's really bad, actually. Yeah, that's really bad. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with doing Coinbase puts. No puts, Wayne says. I have to. All right, I'll give it 2 more minutes. If nothing comes across in 2 minutes, I'm going to buy Coinbase puts. I know, call me a donkey. You have every right to call me a donk, and I will fully accept the donkey title. If nothing good hits the scanner by 9:56, I'm going to buy, look, some Wolf, 80, a little bit of Wolf puts. I'm going to buy these Coinbase puts. If nothing comes across in the next 60 seconds, you don't have to follow, but I need to have some kind of, I got to have some kind of earnings action on. How much is Bitcoin up? Just curious. BitDeer is up 20%, which is a crypto. Spot Bitcoin is up, God, look at Bitcoin, over 100K. Is Ethereum up anymore? Ethereum's up 18%. Wow. I mean, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Ethereum, horrible chart today, 18%. You know, like everything that's been, it's like they're trying to get everything in unity. You know, gold's been selling off. You know, they'll probably get gold down and get crappy stocks up. I mean, the Russell 2000 is leading today, which is where I have most of my money in small and mid caps. But in terms of trading, I want to buy some puts. SoFi, it looks too good. But I saw those SoFi calls, the June 6, 14 and a half. I mean, that's another stock. It could be up 10% in a day on good news. It's just so hard to Like there's two ways I'm looking at everything right now. One, I feel like the biggest donkey in the world buying stocks here. So I'm not. I mean, I'm short-term trading, as you guys saw today in some positions. And two, I buy puts and I lose money. So it's like, damn, Nike fell off a lot. 60-39 print and then went straight down. So I'm bearish on the market. I just can't trade it bearish because everything goes up. And the only thing that's been working is selling premium. Like, where's SPX? Wow, SPX just fell off a cliff. Damn. Well, we should be good. Oh, yeah. Our SPX trade's at 100%. Wow. What about XXP? At 100% too. Damn. What happened to the market? It just fell off a cliff here. Oh, shit. There goes my Coinbase put buy. Is Coinbase down a lot? It just fell like $2. Oh, man. Well, Coinbase. Those puts now are 350. I still think Coinbase goes lower. I mean, what in the world just happened? Wow. We've been doing this every day. We talked about it this morning. Right back. Look, I mean, man, here I am bitching about the market, and really it's great. Look at this, right to the open. I can't believe it happened again. I mean, I can't believe it. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I thought we were SOL today. Did anyone post my 4 p.m. payout? This is like the third or fourth day. Wow. This is the fourth day. We was traded right back to the open. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I got really lucky. I feel like I got lucky. Skill, luck, yeah. Every day we go right back to the open. Here, I mean, I actually went a little bit below. Here, higher. Here, open. Here, open. Here, open. Here, open. Wow. We just sold off 40 handles and well, damn, Lance, why did you buy the Coinbase puts? Holy crap. Wow. Well, damn, I wish I would have bought more. How much did I do for XXP? $100, $130. Wow. That's insane. Jeez. I don't see any news either. Look at this, right back to the open. I am literally I thought today we were SOL with the Trump pump. I really did. I mean, I really thought we were SOL today with the Trump pump. Wow. I mean, you can't make this crazy shit up. Sorry, chat. 50 points in the last 40 minutes. I mean, today I will say this. I went, today was the day I was like, hey, we're not coming back from a Trump pump. Like I mean, it was so aggressive. When you have Trump saying buy stocks, now's a great time to buy stock. I mean, last time we did that, we rallied what, 10%, 8% the market, the S&P. And this was no news, nothing. Did everything sell off? Small caps a little bit. Yeah, wow, tech. Diamonds, wow, the Dow too. I mean, this is getting, where's my baby Tesla? Sold off 5. Every time I want to go small, I should just go all in. I was going to say too, if you're part of the 4 p.m., if you want to sell more upside call spreads, when we were like up in here to do it, and I actually had an order working for $1.20, and then we came down. If it'd been extremely risky, but wow. Uh, wow. I don't know what to say. Lift is up. I'm sure it is. Yeah. I haven't looked at it, but I would tell you 99% chance Lyft was going higher. How much is it up? 14. Oof, yeah. So again, bad chart straight up. Yeah. Yeah. No worries. Again, every time you buy puts, you lose. Wow, Lyft is squeezing. Kind of looks like we're on. Anything else out? Coinbase? Anything? Yeah, I saw that Microsoft trade. I don't really look too much at Microsoft. It already had earnings and stuff, so I'm not too yeah, Lyft is up 10%. What was the implied move? $1.50. It's not there yet. But yeah, I was very confident my Lyft puts would go to zero. And they will tomorrow. But if it crashed, it would have paid well. Obviously it didn't. There were some Lyft calls, I think, today too. Coinbase is up $2. I don't think they're out. Wow. I still can't get over this move in the market. Gave back the whole Trump pump. TDT. Wow, the trade desk is up 10%. You know why the trade desk is up? Bad chart, right? Stock is down, what, 60% this year and 50% this year. So it's got to go up. It's kind of like the same with Tesla. Remember, Tesla was down a lot. The trade desk, oh my God. The implied move was $8.50. Well, they ain't playing. The 70 calls were $1.29. Those are going to go to zero. 66 calls were $2. They might make money. Maybe. That's the other issue. You need such a big move to make money. Yeah, if you want to do iron condors, you can. Yeah, if you want to. Yeah, look this up. I haven't been a big trying to teach people iron condors just because I don't want to get everyone confused because it's been a little bit of a journey already. But yeah, you can always do an iron condor. Really, you just need it to stay within the range. Para is out. The trade desk is up 5. That's a light move. Lyft is up $1.20. That's a light move. The real is down. Where's TKO? It's the only one I really need in my life. You're not out yet. Yeah, Iron Condors, we did one for Palantir and it's at max profit already, but it just Eh, I wish I would have went bigger. I wish I would have added, I should say, to go bigger. Every time I say that, the next day I don't. But yeah, no size really. No size. I'm playing small ball. If TKO goes down, I'll buy all I can. If it goes up, I'll won't do anything really. Won't do anything. All right, what else do we got, chat? Make sure you hit the thumbs up, by the way. 360 bucks, 310 bucks. Hey, that's all good. The best thing to do is don't look. Say it a million times. So do not look if you're trading uh the 4 p.m. XPX XXP. Do not look. It's the best advice I can tell you. Do not look. So today I went to the what do you call that store? I went to the Chick-fil-A and the Lululemons to return something. So I was out for like 30, man, maybe like an hour 30. And don't look. It's been the best thing to do is not look. I don't think Coinbase is out, by the way. And Lyft is already coming down, only up 80 cents now. I don't think Coinbase is out. Just a heads up. And Soundhound, I don't think is out either. It's only up like 10 cents. So I don't think anything those two are out yet. Let me just confirm. Yeah, I don't think Soundhound is up. CLSK, no move. Dropbox, did you ever come out? I don't think so. Frog, no volume. But yeah, TPR, TPR pumped and dumped. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Oh, is Pins is out? Pins and the Wolf, 600 bucks. Great work. Oh, the Wolf is down. Oh my gosh. It's down a little bit. Like what? 40 cents? That's not much. Afram, that's probably the first bad chart that is down. Afram down about 8. That's probably the first. The chart's okay. But I don't even know if you would make money on Afram puts. How much are the 48 puts? $1. Stock's already at 49. 48. You might, depending on where it opens. Just nothing's really, you're not having these huge moves. I mean, QBTS, yes. Pizza, yes. BitDeer, yes. They're all kind of the crazy companies. Yeah, Afram at 47.30. Just depends where it opens. You get something, I think. Pins. Pins is up. 28. Wow, it's up what? $3? It's actually a good move. Implied move is $3. Price to perfection. So, I mean, it's hard. It's hard to make money on earnings right now. Even if you're right on direction, you're just not getting the big craziness. Nothing's outside of the expectations. Monster's down. One of those monster puts. Maybe I should have looked at them more. Monster MNST, the beverage company. With my little account, I have to go 100% every time. Oh, that's funny. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that Ethereum, the ETHA ETF. I used to own it, funny enough. Back when everyone would say about the Bitcoin stuff, I think I bought ETHA. I bought Dogecoin too. I think I sold it for a loss. I think it might have been down here. I had it a long time ago. Yeah, I probably sold it here, like 1920. This is when like Dogecoin went up 30%. And then I sold that too. I sold it and then I kept Ethereum and then I got I was a bag holder. So there goes my every time I've done crypto, I've been a bag holder, I feel like. That's why I don't touch it. I don't think Coinbase is out, by the way. Just the cryptos have never done me good. I've only lost, and lost. To be fair. Yeah. Good job, 1,200 bucks. Frog. Oh, did they? Let's see if they traded. Ooh, wow. The frog took a dive. Frog's down about 10%. Ooh. What about sweet green? Ooh. Sweet green down too. I've never even been to one. I think it's like a food place, a salad bar or something. I want to hear. QBTS. Is there an offering after hours? It's down 50% after hours. I don't see an offering out. Afram already coming back. Well, gang, it was a doozy. I mean, didn't really do much, but I would say we got a little lucky. Um, in the SPX XSP trades. I mean, I made almost $1,000 today, and I didn't even know I had so many contracts. That's the only issue. When I do them with y'all, I do one contract and then I re-show the example, and then I ended up keep doing them and doing them. And then sometimes I'm like, oh crap, I got 6 contracts. I got 4 contracts, 5 contracts. But I think we're back at it tomorrow, by the way, at 9:45. So we'll do it again tomorrow. And then I think tomorrow, what is, yeah, the 9th. Yeah, and then we're back tomorrow, 9:45. And I'll be joined by Rodney and Jeremy. Oh, hey, Lance, I set up today's Zoom meeting for your stream to record and save locally on my computer. Oh, I got to do this one a little bit differently. Oh, okay, Mitch. All right, I think I have to go because I have to. Oh, good. I have to upload this or it's saved on my computer. So I know we didn't do much, but this will be on YouTube later. Um, Coin, uh-oh. Do I want to look at coin? I don't know if I do. Well, Afram bounced already back up. What on Hubs just reported, and it doesn't really trade. If coin is down under 295, I don't know what. I'm gonna have me uh I would say drink, but I haven't been. I'm gonna have me a glass of wine. It's at 205. I don't think it's out yet. I think this was just a bad print. When y'all said it was down a lot, I was like, oh, it crashed. What about microchip? That was the one I was really on a. Oh, thank God. Oh, microchips up. Good thing I avoided that because I wanted that one. That's what I was obsessed about when we first started. DraftKings is down about $1. That's nothing. Yelp, I didn't know Yelp was still a company. Pens is up a little bit. Nothing crazy though. They're going to be on CNBC. Oh, yeah. If a company goes on CNBC after earnings, you know the earnings are going to be good. That's the good old tell. Because you're not going to have a CEO go on TV with if they have bad earnings, you know. So they'll go on TV and pump up the stock. Look, Wolf is now break even. So Wolf went from down 10% to break even. I'm telling you, stocks can't go down. It's impossible for stocks to go down. It really is. Look at Afram. It's already $2 off the lows. So, maybe tomorrow's the start of a bear market, but I mean, look at Lyft. I mean, it's up 75 cents. It's not much. But nothing can go down. Nothing will ever go down on earnings again. Remember when? When it was down to $78 on earnings and now it's at 86? It's like the market can't. The market, individual stocks, nothing can ever go red. Yeah, now DraftKings is up. I feel bad for the person who got tagged at 32.68. They probably had a sell order. They got tagged and then it went right back up. Coin missed top and bottom, actually. EPS and revenue miss, and the stock's down $4. Coin EPS and revenue miss, and it's down four, not even $4. Yeah. So, anyhow, hit the thumbs up button, like it, subscribe if you're not part of the Telegram. There's a free, it's in the description. It's free. If you're part of 4 p.m. Payout members, we'll be back tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. And we got lucky today. We got unlucky, lucky, but we'll take it any way we can. Anyway, because the only thing that matters at the end of the day is the P&L. And we got saved by the bell. Like the third time already this week. Alrighty, let me log off. Coin under 203. I mean, really, it needs to be under 197 for those puts to make money. So they did the 200 puts and they were like a 330, 340. So really, they needed under 196.50 ish. So, not needs to go down a lot more. All right. Where's Zoom? There we go. Oh, you know what I need to do?